Don't boil eggs the traditional way if you want to enjoy perfectly cooked runny yolk eggs as you desire. In this video, I'll show you how to get eggs with smooth whites and restaurant-quality yolk, where the yolk flows out when you crack them open. You see, if you boil eggs directly in water like usual, the shell is really hard to peel clean, and sometimes the white sticks to the shell, making the egg look messy. With this direct boiling method, it's really hard to achieve the perfect runny yolk you want. In this video, we'll use a small but highly effective tip to peel the eggs easily. The most important thing is we'll use steaming instead of boiling directly in water. That's the key to success. Stay tuned for each step. First, prepare a clean bowl of water. Gently place the eggs into the bowl to avoid cracking the shells. Add a little salt to the water for soaking and cleaning the eggs. Salt not only helps remove bacteria and dirt stuck to the shells, but also cleans stubborn stains. Breaking the shells. Use a damp cloth to wipe each egg clean, making sure any remaining dirt or chicken droppings are completely removed. Gently scrub without breaking the shells. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water several times. In this video, I'll use a pen to write the cooking time directly on the eggshell so it's easier to track, since we'll be testing several different times: 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8.5 minutes, and 10 minutes. This way, you'll easily be able to choose your preferred boiling time for future attempts. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. We won't boil the eggs directly in the water. Instead, we'll steam them using a steamer. Steaming makes peeling the eggs easier, helps retain their flavor and nutrients, and the steady steam allows for precise timing to cook the eggs to your preferred doneness. While steaming, keep the heat at a moderate level, not too high or too low. If the heat is too high, the eggs will experience thermal shock, causing the egg whites to contract suddenly and stick more tightly to the shell. If the heat is too low, the timing will be off, leading to inaccurate results. Especially when steaming, you don't need to stir or flip the eggs like you would when boiling them. Right at the first 5 minutes of boiling, act quickly and decisively to remove the 5M egg from the pot, then immediately transfer it to a prepped bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process and make peeling easier. Keep going at the 6th, 7th, 8.5 to 10th and 12th minutes, lifting out the eggs marked with 6M, 7M, 8.5M, 10M, and 12M. Immediately after lifting each egg at each of those time points, place them into the prepped ice bath. This step will help cool them quickly, keep the yolk at the desired doneness, and allow evaluation of the eggs at different time intervals. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment below and let me know. It's so great to know that we have viewers all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. It means a lot to see your support. Now comes the most important part, and also the part we've been waiting for: how to peel an egg so the white stays intact and looks good. We'll use a knife to gently tap the egg along its vertical axis. This motion will create a long crack running from one end of the egg to the other, instead of shattering it like the usual method. Using your fingertips, gently run along the crack, then carefully remove the tiny shell fragments clinging to the edge. With just a few delicate steps, the cracked shell comes off smoothly and effortlessly. Next, hold both halves of the shell with your hands, applying even gentle pressure to separate them in the opposite direction. In an instant, the entire shell peels away perfectly, leaving behind a smooth, intact egg with no fragments left inside. We'll continue peeling the shells using the same method for 7M, 8.8M, and 10M eggs. Now let's take a look at the results after peeling. That's wonderful. As you can see, the eggs have been peeled easily. The eggshells are split into two nearly intact halves. I have arranged the eggshells and the eggs in order. Now let's take each egg and check when the steamed eggs are perfectly cooked to our liking. We'll cut the egg in half after 10 minutes. As you can see, the 10-minute egg has a fully cooked yolk that's dry, crumbly, but still tender. At 8.5 minutes, the yolk starts to cook, with just a thin layer in the center. I like this type best. It's just cooked and not runny. Take a close look at the yolks of the 2 boiled eggs cooked for 8.5 minutes and 10 minutes. That's fascinating, isn't it? The yolk of the 10-minute egg is dry and crumbly, with a light yellow color on the outside near the white, but inside it has a color similar to the yolk of the 8.5-minute egg. The 7-minute egg is perfectly cooked, with a soft, tender yolk, and it's the most sought after. The 6-minute egg has a slightly runny yolk that's smooth and golden, perfect for dipping bread. The 5-minute egg has a very runny yolk that's bright orange, and eating it raw is super rich. Take a look at the results we've achieved. Peeled eggs with smooth, flawless whites, no scratches or dents, and shells that split neatly into 2 pieces. The key is that no matter which timing you choose, 5 minutes for runny yolk, 7 minutes for soft-boiled, or 10 minutes for fully cooked, you can easily apply this peeling trick. Another invisible factor is egg freshness, which greatly affects how easy it is to peel. Fresher eggs have a tighter membrane, making them harder to peel. So, if you want it easier, use eggs that are 5 to 7 days old in the fridge. Older eggs have a larger air pocket, causing the shell and membrane to separate naturally when boiled. This is a secret technique many hotel chefs use. That's it for this video. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. And remember to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.